How to center the header menu position in your Shopify store. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So by default, your store is going to look something like this, with the header menu going to be in the left side here. So we just want to make it in the center. It's very simple, so let's just go ahead and get to it. First, all you need to do is obviously just log into your Shopify admin, go to online store, themes, and click on edit theme. In my case, I'm using the Horizon theme, but for you, it's going to be a little bit different. So it's going to be almost the same place. It just may say something else, or the name of it is going to be a little bit different. But anyways, all you need to do is just click on the header section. And right away, we should be able to find an entire section which is called menu. And the first option is the position of it. And we can just click on center. And we can see now that we have our menu position in the center. And we can even make it to the right if you want to, or the default left. But I'm just going to keep it as the center one and click on save, and that's pretty much all we need to do. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.